15 years. These have to be talked about. AJ4 Lightning right after this. What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button because you know it helps out your boy in the YouTube algorithm. Today we got a very special video because we are going to be unboxing, reviewing, and talking about these right here, the Air Jordan 4 Lightnings. And damn, it has been 15 long years for these to be re-released, and I can't wait to get straight into it. First of all, we have to talk strictly of that packaging. Just like I said in my last box, or my last video about the pollen ones, they had a different box and they're doing the same damn thing with these ones. So right here, you got that yellow top, Jumpman OG side, and then you have that cement Oreo looking box right here. And then this one is actually a size 9, suggested retail of $220. So tour yellow, dark blue gray, and we'll get more into that. It has the colorway, but we'll go ahead and do a first hand pop out once we take this pop off. But man, I'm so excited because you know what we do on this channel, y'all. We try to get the most hype sneakers that are coming out to re-release. And we got the Air Jordan 4 Lightnings, man, and damn. First glance, these are very bright. They're reminiscent of the ones that really released, I believe, in 2005. And you just have 4 things that pop out to you. You have that tour yellow all around here, which is a suede material. And then on top of that, you got the black caging around the fours. That's pretty much iconic in terms of it. And then when you look into this like paneling here, this is actually like a grayish that matches that midsole portion right here. So definitely, I like what they did with this. It doesn't seem off to the 2005 version, but man, this is a beautiful pair. Got that all white midsole, and then you have the back Jumpman. I would say this is a pretty good quality shoe. I don't know exactly what kind of fit I would rock with this, but you know how I do it. Very, very simple. But overall, first glance at the shoe, very, very nice. Nike did a good job with this. And then we go to that tongue that we like to talk about so much. We do not have anything here that sticks out. It's right in the middle, just as it's supposed to be. And you have that flight iconic, and then when you flip it over, you have the Air Jordan that's popping out right here. So definitely going to be a crazy release. It is anticipated to come out this Saturday, August 28th, and it's going to be all over. I think they have all the way down from men's sizes to GS down to toddler youth. Definitely think that these are going to be a good investment. Let's talk more about how it's going to be and how it's going to perform. All right, as of right now, early pairs are going for about like the 300, 319, 333 range. So just depending on the size, this size 9 is going for about 308. And early pairs have definitely gone down in terms of their demand. I think if you're not within like 6 to 7 weeks prior to that, you'll be paying like $1,000. But yeah, I think these are gonna do well. What I'm gonna do in terms of mine, I'm going to wait for the market to dip a little bit in terms of when the release is. I'm not gonna go right after it, but if you guys saw in the Oreo 4, man, those dipped to like 220, and now they're or not 220, like 280, and now they're ranging at like 380 to 400. So I think these are gonna do similarly to it. Lightning 4 is definitely one of the most iconic Jordan 4s that have came out. Michael Jordan released this with his motorcycle, his brand that he had back in the day. So definitely cool to see this come back. A lot of the Jordans you're gonna see re-releasing are basically just re-retros of what's been happening in the past. So definitely excited to see what else is coming out. I think I need another bread to be released, but what am I gonna do? I'm gonna wait for the market to shift around like 250 to 260, and then I'll probably be buying these heavily and gonna hold on to them just because I don't think that they're gonna be able to re-retro these in the near future. So that is my prediction. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Are you guys gonna be copping these for retail, for resale? Are you gonna be holding them for an investment? But definitely think that this is gonna be a crazy release on Saturday. Try your best to get on Sneakers app, Flex app. There's a lot of other, I've seen like Nordstrom and other places that are doing it. So it's gonna be exciting this Saturday to see who gets the dubs, but tag me in your posts if you guys do get it, and appreciate you guys for watching and supporting this channel, man. So with that being said, a very short video to do this and just review this because I think this needs a video of its own. So with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all, I love y'all, and always remember y'all, stay in stock with OOSKicks. Peace!